of orders in backlog. So the descriptions is so long. I think many people don't like it. They don't like to read so many descriptions. So let me just explain the question, and then we're gonna try to find a method to solve it. Yeah. So let's directly check the examples 1 to understand what is the meaning of the problem. Yeah. So we are giving an array of orders. So this is the orders array. So the index is 0 for this number 10. So this is the price. And this number 5, it means the amount. It means the number of quantities. So how many of them. And this is 0 and 1 is a type. Yeah. So for the third index, if it is a 0, basically this means yeah, I forget about it. If it is a 0, so this means it is a by order. Yeah, let me just check. Yeah, so if it is a 0, this means this band is a by order. If it is a 1, this means this band is a sell order. Yeah. So basically we are placing the orders in a sequence. According to the problem, we are placing the orders in a sequence. This means we're gonna first check the first order, and then we're gonna check the second and the third. Definitely we cannot sort the orders array because it's gonna have a sequence. So what does this mean for this first example? First of all, we're gonna have our orders. The price is 10 and the quantity is 5. So this is 10, and in total they're gonna be 5. And we're gonna place the first order. So this is our order. So inside the buy backlog, it's gonna be these orders, and inside the sell backlog, there's nothing because we didn't have the sell order. Now we're gonna go to the second order. So the second order is gonna be a sell order. Yeah. So this is a 15, 15. And for this sell order, basically we want to sell those two items. But if we want to sell those two items, we need to check the buy backlog. If some item inside the buy backlog is more than or equal to 15, definitely we can sell it. But currently it is only 10, so we cannot sell it. Now we're gonna go to 25. It is still a sell order, so we're gonna put it inside the sell order. Now we're gonna check the buy order, buy backlog. So inside the buy backlog, there's no number that is more than or equal to 25, so definitely we will do nothing. Now we're gonna go to the next. So this is gonna be buy order. So we put it inside the buy backlog, and the number gonna be 4. But how many sell orders? The price is less than or equal to the buy order price. This is 30. Yeah. So it's gonna be 3. So for example, this one, and this one. So currently we're gonna handle this order. So definitely we're gonna reduce it by 1. Before there are 430, now it is only 130, and those ones are gonna be removed. So this is the basic idea of the problem. Yeah. So what are we doing? So if we have a buy backlog and a sell backlog, what we are doing? So for the buy backlog, if we cannot buy something, so basically we're gonna put the buy orders inside the buy backlog. And for the sell backlog, if we cannot sell it, basically we're gonna put the sell orders inside the sell backlog. Yeah. So the problem is that what if we can buy something? Yeah. So this is a buy order. If we can buy something, we're gonna buy it from the sell order. So we're gonna pop out something from the sell order. And if this buy order is consumed, and then this buy order is also popped out. Yeah. If we were to buy something, basically we need to find it in the sell order. Yeah. And inside the sell order, we're gonna find the smallest price we're gonna buy. So this is just like common sense. So in a commercial website, if you want to buy something, basically you're gonna choose the lowest price, the smallest price with the same quality. Yeah. And similarly for the sell, if I were to sell something like in eBay, definitely I would to find some buy backlogs, and inside buy backlogs I want to choose the highest price. So for example, someone offered me $10, $15, and $20, and my target is to sell it for $5. Basically I want to choose the maximum price it's gonna be 20. So this means this gonna be for the buy backlog, it's gonna be a max heap. Yeah, and for the sell backlog, basically it's gonna be a min heap. Yeah, so this means inside of the buy, basically we want to choose the maximum price if it is possible, and inside of the sell array, basically we want to choose the minimum price if that is possible. Yeah, I think it's really easy to code, but this problem is also easy to make mistakes. Definitely, if I cannot solve it, I'm gonna check the answers I just submitted. But let's just try to solve this problem. The final answer gonna be really big, because the final answer gonna be the amount of all the orders inside the backlog. So it's gonna be a really big number maybe. So we're gonna use 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. So this is gonna be the mod, and then we're gonna prepare two arrays, buy and sell. So this means two backlogs. We're gonna prepare buy backlog and sell backlog. It's gonna be two empty array. Now we're gonna look through the orders. So the orders are gonna be let's just check the orders. Yeah, the price, amount, and the type. So we're gonna use the price, amount, and the type inside the orders. Now we're gonna have two steps. We're gonna check the type. If type equal to 0, basically this means a buy order. Otherwise, it means a sell order. So finally, I'm gonna return the sum of all those values. It's gonna be let's use number n1. So for n inside the buy plus the sell. So basically we need to sum up all the backlogs. It's going to be buy plus sell, and we're going to choose the index 1 because we're going to prepare index 1 as the amount at index 0. So inside the buy array and sell array, basically we're going to have a tuple. It's going to be the price and amount. So this is why we're going to choose the index 1 as the amount, and finally we're going to modular a mod. Now let's just go to the difficult part. So basically it is this if and else. So currently let's just check the type, the buy type first. So if this order is a buy order, because the sell order gonna be similar, it is just symmetric. If we can solve the buy order, basically we can also solve the sell order. Because it is the similar code, we can just copy and paste and change a little bit. Now, if this is a buy order, so we're gonna check the buy backlog. Because if this is a buy order, according to the problem, if this is a buy order, we're gonna look at the sell order with the small price in backlog. If that sell order price is smaller than or equal to the current buy order price, they will match and be executed, and that sell order will be moved from the backlog. So this means we're gonna check the sell order. So let's just check the sell order. So while on sell, and with the sell order, we're gonna have let's just pop out first. So let's just so let's just check it first. So while sell order and sell with the price, so inside the sell order, we're gonna choose a sell 0, and the price is gonna be 0. So if the price is smaller or equal to the current buy order, so if the price is smaller and equal to my current buy order price, so for this buy order, basically I would to buy something, and if I were to buy something, my price, so for example it is $5, but I would to choose some sell orders. If it is 4, 3, basically I would to choose the smallest number. Yeah, so basically I gonna choose this 3. This price gonna be the first, and then it's gonna be 4 if I still need some numbers. Yeah, now we're gonna pop out we're gonna use a heap pop. Yeah, just to pop out the sell orders. Yeah, so we're gonna pop out basically it is the price and amount. So we're gonna pop it from the sell orders. So the sell order gonna be a min heap. Yeah. So now we're gonna just calculate the amount. Yeah, but before we calculate the amount, we need to check if this value a. So if this a is more than y. Yeah, so y is my current account. I still need to check the numbers. Yeah, so if this number is more than the number popped out by the sell orders, yeah, it means basically I need to update this a. It's gonna be a minus y. And else. So yeah, let me think about it. This is the order. This is the buy order, and I need to reduce the amount. They will match and be executed, and then the sell order will be removed from the backlog. Yeah, so this sell order is removed, else the buy order is added to the backlog. So this is else. Yeah, so we're gonna use the heap push. It's gonna be this buy order. Yeah, so it will be added to the backlog. It's gonna be the price and what left behind. So this means y gonna be more than and equal to a. Yeah, so a is less than or equal to y. So what left behind is y minus a. So we're gonna put it inside the order, inside the buy order. Yeah, but if we put it inside, basically we want to break the loop, break the while loop, because we've already finished here. We don't want to continue. But how can we break this loop easily? So yeah, we need to we need to use a variable. So we're gonna use a cell. Yeah, let me just use a sold. It's gonna be equal to let me set it to false. Now I'm gonna use this flag. So the sold gonna be gonna be true. By order, I gonna yeah, so this means from here it is finished. Yeah, let me use buy. Maybe buy is better. Yeah, so from beginning I'm not sure if I can finish the buying all items of this order. If here, it means definitely I'm gonna finish the buy for this order. So I'm gonna set this buy to true, and now I'm gonna check this flag. So if buy, yeah, let me use sold maybe. Sold is better, yeah, because here we already use this buy and sell. Let me just use sold. So from the beginning, I'm gonna set this sold to false. Yeah, so currently this is a buy order. I'm gonna set the sold to true, and then I'm gonna set the sold to false. It's not sold. Yeah, I think I needed to set it to false. And then the sold gonna be yeah, so this means if I can sell all those from the backlog, so I'm gonna set a sold to true. Yeah, so if not sold all the orders, I need to, yeah, I still need to push it into the sell order. Yeah, let me think about it. So I still need to push it into the yeah, I think I still need to put it into the sell order. It's gonna be the sell with a tuple of price and amount. Yeah, so this means I didn't execute these areas. Yeah, but here I executed, but it's not enough. So what left behind is the price and the amount. So I still need to put it into the sell orders array, sell backlog. I still need to put it into the sell backlog array. Yeah, as the sell is just a min heap, but for the buy backlog, it's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be a max heap. So this means if we were to check the buy backlog, we're gonna choose the maximum price. So here, this means we're gonna prepare a negative value for this price because this is gonna be a max heap. Yeah. Now let's just check the else case. So for the else case, let's just copy the same code. Basically, they are similar. Yeah, if we solved this area, so basically the here gonna be similar. Here we're gonna use another variable, and we're gonna use a bot. And let me just set this bot to true here, and make it to bot. And here we're gonna use the because this is just a sell order, so we're gonna find in the buy and backlog, and here gonna be the buy backlog, and we're gonna check the price because it's gonna be all the negative values for the buy price because this is a max heap. So we're gonna first of all we're gonna find the maximum price. So if this maximum price is still less than or equal to our current price, so we're gonna pop it out from the buy backlog. Yeah. Now we're gonna still check that if this A is if our amount A is more than this current amount from the buy order, so we're gonna still use this value. It's gonna be A minus Y. Else, so we're gonna push it to the sell order. Yeah. So inside the sell order, let me think about it. So this is this is what left behind. We're gonna still push it into the sell order. So this is gonna be the, if we want to push into the sell order, basically this is gonna be the price P with what left behind. It's gonna be this Y minus A. So here gonna be the same, and this one gonna be bought to true. If not bought, we're gonna still push it into the here we're gonna, if we didn't, so here we're executing this, we're gonna buy one, but that is not enough. So what left behind is that if this not bought, if we not finished bought all the orders, so what left behind, we still need to push it into the buy order. Yeah, so the buy order will still left something. So it's gonna be, if this is the buy order, so we're gonna choose a negative of the price and the amount. Yeah, I think it's a lot of coding. So up to now, still I'm not sure if I can pause. I still need to check if everything is okay. I think if my logic is okay, basically it should work, but I'm not sure. As you know, it's a lot of coding, and this one is basically symmetric to this one. Yeah. So let me just check again. I have the buy and sell backlog. Inside it is going to be the price and amount. So first of all, I'm going to check the type if this is a buy order. So I'm going to prepare a sold flag to false. So this means I cannot finish this order. Yeah. So if I cannot finish it at the end, if not finished, I think this gonna be the buy order or the sell order. Yeah, I think if I cannot finish, maybe it is wrong. Let me just run it. Maybe here is wrong. Yeah, it is wrong. Maybe it's coming from here. So if not sold, this means if not finished, I need to still push it into the buy order. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah. So here, I will sell it. If I cannot, so here I'm going to I'm gonna set a bought flag, and basically I would to buy all of them inside. I got to find all of them inside the buy and backlog. So inside the buy backlog, if I cannot find all of them, yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe this is the sell, and this is the P and A. Oh, I forgot. I think it's about here. Yeah, I just copied and didn't change the sign. Let me just go back. I think this is gonna be buy and sell. Yeah, so here the sell price is less than and equal to the current price. Here the buy price should be more than and equal to the current price. And so here sold will be false, and here if not finished, yeah, I need to put it into the cell backlog, because here is not finished. I pop out something but it's not finished. I need still to put it into the cell backlog because it's not finished. So this is a minus y if something left behind. Yeah, so this is also the same. Now let me just run it to check if it works. It didn't. Yeah, there's still something wrong with it. Yeah, if I were to buy something, t equal to 0, so this means I were to buy something. So basically I need to find it inside of the cell orders. So if the price is less than or equal to my current price, so I will pop it out from the cell heap. And if this amount a is more than the y, so I'm gonna update this a. So else if this is less than the current amount. So let me use some examples. If this is, so for example, if this is 5 but the current y, this y is 6, so if this 5 is less than the current amount 6, so I will use this 6 minus y, 6 minus 5, and this is my price, and I put it inside the buy. Let me think out. Maybe this is wrong. I put it inside the buy backlog, but I can finish the buying all of them. Why I put it inside the buy backlog? I need to put it inside the sell backlog, I think here. Yeah, because basically this means I can buy all of them. First of all, I pop it out from the sell backlog, and then I'm gonna choose it. If I can finish buying all of them, so this means I need to put it inside the sell backlog. So it's gonna be something left behind for the sell orders. Yeah. So I think this one gonna be a sell. I need to put it inside the sell backlog. So it's gonna be a p and y minus a, and the sold is going to be true. And here, if not sold, I need to put it into the buy backlog. Yeah, because if I didn't set it to true, it means something left behind. I still need to put it into the buy backlog, because for the next time, yeah, it's not for next time, but I need to put it inside the buy backlog. So it's going to be the price and the amount. And similarly for here, I need to change it to buy. And here I need to have a negative price, and here I need to use the sell, and this is going to be my price, and for the buy it's going to be a negative p. Yeah, it's a lot of details. Yeah, now let me just run it. Yes, yeah, I think this is the problem is difficult because it's yeah, really difficult to the logic can yeah, now it is a time limit exceeded. Push it to the by. Yeah, maybe I cannot solve it. I don't know. Sometimes I can, sometimes not. Yeah, I think I have to be really clear with the logic. So this one is I want to buy it, and then I'm gonna set a sold flag to false, and I'm gonna check the sales backlog. If there's some value less than equal to the current price, so I will pop it out from the sale array, and if this amount is more than, I'm gonna update the amount, else it means something gonna left behind. I will push it to the cell array, and this is my price, and this is what left behind for the sales array. Basically it's going to be y minus a, and I will set the sold to true. So if not sold, I still need to yeah, push it to the buy backlog. So the price gonna be negative p, and the amount gonna be a. Yeah, I think this logic should be okay. Yeah. So here I think I forget about something. This is the time limit exceeded. I need to break it. Yeah. So here, if this is the last one, I need to check. I push it to the cell array. I set the sold to true. So basically, I need to break the while loop. Yeah, because this means this item can be finished. I don't need to check the while loop anymore. Otherwise, it cannot break. So I'm gonna set a break. So here, also I need to set a break. Yeah, I think it's a lot about logic. If you don't understand the logic, basically, it's really easy to make mistakes. And then let me check about here. So this is a buy, and I pop it out, and I'm gonna check it. Else, I'm gonna push to the buy array. So this is just a symmetric. We just need to be carefully checking, and bot set to true and break. If not bot, so I'm gonna push it to the sell array, and the price gonna be positive, and this is the amount. And finally, I'm gonna check the final result. Yeah. Now let me just run it to check. Yeah. Now it seems I can pass all the testing cases, and definitely this problem is not a difficult problem, but it's really complicated and really easy to make mistakes. Yeah. Luckily, I find. Oh no, I didn't find. There are gonna be still some mistakes. Yeah, I didn't pass for another testing case. Yeah, and even though this problem is really difficult to debug, so basically we cannot just yeah, check the orders one by one. We have to check the logic. Yeah, so vice versa, if it is a cell order, so we're gonna check larger than or equal to. So this is a larger than or equal to, and we will pop it out, and we will update the amount. Else we're gonna push it to the by backlog negative p, and this is gonna be y minus a, and we're gonna set bot to true. And the price and the amount. Yeah, I think I needed to check the final submit sensor to check it why and what is wrong with it. Yeah, it's really easy to make mistakes. Yeah, let me just check which mistakes I made. So this is the sold, and here is what I'm doing. Yeah, I think I made a mistake from here. So this is a I want to put something inside the cell array. Inside the cell array, it should be this price, but I put a price with my original price inside the order. It should not be the order. The price should be this x. Yeah, because I pop it out and I needed to put to the sales array. It's gonna be this x. This gonna be my price. Yeah, and similarly for here, this is the x I popped, and to the buy array, I need to use this value from here, this price, not my original price, definitely. Yeah, now I think I filed the I filed the issue, and let me just run it to check. No, it didn't pass for another testing case. Now the case 4 didn't work. Yeah, but this is one thing. Let me just continue to check. Yeah, here it seems okay. By minus, this is okay. Yeah, so yeah, if I push to the buy, it's gonna be the value gonna be this value x, because here gonna be fixed. Yeah, because even though here is a negative value, I don't need to change the sign. It's gonna still be this x. It's gonna be the negative value. I cannot change the sign. Only I need to change the sign is this price from here. I don't need to change this x. Yeah, I think this is another mistake. Yeah, now it seems works, and let me submit it. Yeah, this seems sometimes you can solve the problem easily, but when you solve it online, it's really difficult, and it's really easy to make mistakes. And when you are nervous, a lot of things can happen, because this problem, there's basically a lot of details. It's really easy to make mistakes. Yeah, I think that's all about it. Thank you for watching.